This was the moment a powerful earthquake shook most of southern Mexico. Flashes of light over the night sky and a loud bang were captured on video as the magnitude 7 earthquake struck the Acapulco region and power lines swayed and buckled. At least one person was crushed by a falling post and killed.
De Puebla y es el mismo reporte.
Surprisingly, there were no reports of serious destruction in the aftermath, the president said. Still, rocks were sent tumbling down hillsides, cars smashed, and streets strewn with broken glass. Hotels were evacuated as tourists rushed outside to seek safe ground.
Lejos, lejos.
The quake could be felt nearly 400 kilometers away in Mexico City, where people clung to the walls inside a subway station, and panic spread at a wrestling match when the arena swayed. Speakers across the capital blared sirens and a spoken warning of the quake. Mexico is no stranger to earthquakes. Residents left traumatized by a devastating one in 2017 took refuge in the streets.
Horrible. No podía pensar en otra cosa más que en poder salir porque empezamos a escuchar ruido.
We couldn't think of anything but getting out of the building, she says.
Sentí que se iba a caer con la experiencia de.
I felt like it was going to fall. Despite the rain, some people slept outside, too worried to return to their homes, as more than 150 aftershocks rolled across the region. Caryn Ceolin, City News.